Hi guys, Rovic Wasito here. I would like to share again my inspirational mantra. Even if only one is listening and not all, I will give my all because that one person deserves my all. Pero hindi lang po ako ang nagbibigay ng all ko because right now, I have a special guest dito sa talk na to. Mga Dabawenya giving their all when it comes to performance and singing. At nag-trending ang kanilang song na Pag Sure Oy. Kasama natin ngayon ang Salia! 1, 2, 3.
Siguradong magmaniloon man ka. Kayo gumang istorya ang tawag yun ko gaduwa-duwa. Kaya nga kung ipangitaba na. Wako'y panahon sa pakyut-kyut, wako'y panahon sa mga joke-joke. Pag sure oy, pag sure oy, pag sure oy.
Ang galing talaga ng Salia. Siyempre, they are under music school by Jeremy Sarmiento. Pakilala ko lang sa inyo. Si Jets, si Julia, at si Shaira. Nandito kayo ngayon sa Live Talk with Rovic. At siyempre, kasama natin yung mga followers natin dyan. And I would like to talk about giving your all. Kayo. Kasi I always define all as attitude. Hindi lang attitude, kundi positive attitude. Then L, learnings. You value learnings. And L na isa is love. Okay, tanong ko sa inyo ngayon, ano ba yung attitude ng Salia when it comes to performing? Sai?
Disiplina. Very, very disciplined when it comes to practicing and singing on stage. And of course, concentration is a must. So you won't lose focus.
Ayan. How about you, Jules?
Yes. It's all about giving your all every time. Kasi pag nandun ka na sa stage, kailangan mo ibigay yung best mo para ma-feel nila yung best mo.
Wow.
And also, while if mag-perform, there should be character. Dapat, when you sing, you give your all, and there should be a communication with the audience. You don't just sing with yourself, but you communicate with them.
Wow, that's their attitude when it comes to performing, di ba? Kailangan disiplina, you give your all, at yung sinasabi na communication between the performer at saka yung mga audience. Okay, learnings, let's go to learnings. Ano ba yung mga na-value nyo na learning in the past that brought you to who you are right now as Salia na nag-trending?
Okay, of course, humility. Yun, dapat humble kaayo ka. Like, kung saan ka man mapunta, you should always keep your feet on the ground and stay humble because no matter how good you are, you can always be replaced. So that's how people will love you kung nag-stay humble ka. That's it.
Tama. How about you, Julia?
Yan, lessons from competing, of course. Kailangan mong tanggapin kung ano man yung resulta ng mga sasalihan mong contest. Siyempre, pag natalo ka, kailangan mong tanggapin with all your heart and learn your lessons.
Yeah, I remember the one that you joined sa Star of Davao. Isa ko dun sa judge na yun. Pero ang galing mo na talaga ngayon. How about you, Jeff?
Ako, of course, sa learning, wala man dun kay ko nag-compete, but you love your own style, be creative with the genre na imuhang ginasing. Kay I do R&B man at taas, nabirit.
Yun yung hindi ko kaya.
So, puro kulot-kulot. So, kaya, learn to love your genre.
Wow, puro kulot-kulot pero straight ang buhok mo at siya ang kulot ang buhok. Pero di ba guys, di ba, magkakaiba ang kanilang learnings pero isa ang kanilang passion, which is love. Okay? Paano nyo ba na-love ang pagkanta? Ano bang ma-share nyo sa ating mga viewers on how they would love their craft?
Right. One thing I love about singing is that you were able to express man good what you feel maskin pag walay words. So, even like melody lang, if the melody is sad, so ma-feel sa imuhang listeners na, oh my God, ano siya, sad siya, or whatever man ang gusto ipang-feel sa ilaha. So, kung maingon lang sa mga listeners and aspiring performers, don't stop dreaming and always learn. That's it. Don't stop learning.
Yes, of course, love is including the people that make you happy, of course. They appreciate you, you appreciate them. Ganyan lang. Exchange lang tayo ng happiness. Yes.
And for me also, same kay Shaira, I'm not that expressive, like ginaingon jod, not emotionally. Pero through singing, it's been my way na kanang maka-communicate ko, maka-express ko sa kong love to my friends and my family through singing.
Wow, thank you guys. this is going to be a big help sa lahat ng mga tao na who aspires to be like them, di ba? They are willing to give their all. So, yun yung mga points in giving their all. Invite nyo sila if they want to follow you guys sa page nyo. Go!
So guys, we are inviting everyone to like our page on Facebook. That's ZHALIA, Zalia, and please do watch our Pagshuro.
And subscribe us
Yes.
Yeah, saan?
sa YouTube.
YouTube. Ayan. Yung anong channel?
Zalia still.
ZHALIA. And Music School.
Yeah, Music
Yes.
School. Gusto nyo yung pasalamatan, syempre, yung mga mentors ninyo, yung mga...
Thank you, Sir Jet.
Yung mga kuya natin, di ba?
Sir Jeremy, Sir Cash,
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
Ayan. At syempre, guys, thank you guys, ha? Thank you, guys. And from a kuya point of view, alam naman natin na marami na tayong beses nagsama-sama.
Yes.
Well, good luck sa inyong umuusbong na career because, guys, these girls are going to Manila and they're going to show what Davaoenos got in performing. Lalo na yun, ang trending yung Pagshuro. Guys, I wish you the best of luck and from homegrown, it's time to bring that talent to a national level already. So, good luck, guys. We will be here to support you. And can you say that you're going to give your all when performing?
We will.
I will give my all! Well, this has been Rovic Quasito at kung na-inspire kayo sa kwento ng Zalia, well, share this video and don't forget to like my page. It's at Rovic Quasito Life Coach and follow me in Instagram and Twitter at RovicCube. Bye for now. See you next time, guys!